Hi, I'm Michelle Schmidt. I'm your social worker today. Thank you for coming in at your scheduled time. Before we get started, I want to review what confidentiality means for our working relationship. Confidentiality means that anything that is said in this office stays in this office. I will not share your information with anyone that does not need to know or has the right to know. For example, if someone calls my office asking for any information about you, I will not release that information. The only time I will release any information is if you sign a release form stating that you give permission to give out your information. There are times when I will have to break confidentiality. And in those instances, it would be if you were going to harm me, if you were going to harm someone else, or you had suicidal thoughts and you were going to harm yourself. Also, I do have the duty to warn, so if you have any homicidal tendencies towards any identifiable person, I may have to report it to the proper authorities. And then in cases, if there's suspicion of child harm or neglect or elder neglect, I would have to report it. And then there may be times if a court subpoenas records, I would have to give those records over to the courts, but I will do my best to protect patient confidentiality, and I will let you know ahead of time if your records are subpoenaed. And then there are other times requirements of mental health services for disability and insurance reasons. Also for any other situation required by law. Do you have any questions or concerns or statements before you sign this document?